It's crispy also. See that? Oh. It's crispy. So now we will try to use this cooking bottle or lumpia, the egg rolls. So here is automatic. Levi put this already. But now we will try to use the Philips Premium XXL. So we'll try to cook this using this machine. It's our first time because usually when you cook lumpia or egg rolls or roller, use a lot of oil to deep fry, and Levi don't like it. So this time we will try to cook this. I think this is enough for this, like this, so that the air will come absolutely. You see. So am I do right, Levi? See that? Okay, so we will try to cook. So you can get the wire and connect the wire. Okay, so we'll try to cook now. So we will on now. And then we will. So 180 and 11 minutes.
No, that's burn me. Now it's the floor again.
Hi, it's here.
What?
So I will cook this for 11 minutes. Well, play.
Next one is
So we will wait and check later. Yay! Ooh, this is how it
I
looks.
think the small one are done.
You see that? This is how it looks, David and Ock.
You can open and cut it and smell it inside.
Wow,
The
it's
big
very smells good.
one. But the big
So this is the result. It sounds crispy, and then we can try to cut it the inside.
smell it. It's
And-
very steamy inside.
Ooh,
I think it's good.
yeah, it's cooked.
I think it's good to let
It's
it rest.
cooked the
Rest.
chicken, and it's
Let it
cooked
rest.
everything. The carrots.
Still cooking inside. So,
Yeah, so that's how it looks here. So this is the finished product. You see that it's so beautiful. Totally 100% no oil. It's crispy. It's so crispy. If I will try to eat the other one.
now we can put it on the plate and eat in the
It's so very good. Now we will cook again lumpia or egg rolls or roller. So we will cook those bigger size. So we will cook 6 roller homemade lumpia or egg rolls, and then we will cook it in 11 minutes and 180 temperature. And now we will set the time. Eleven minutes, and then let us cook. So we will wait for the second batch of egg rolls or lumpia using the Philips Premium XXL. So it's our second time of cooking and trying, and as you can see, it was a very nice result. It was very good. There's no oil at all. And it's crispy. You see that? You hear that sound? It means it's finished. Oh, wow. Wow, it so look good. And then we'll try. You see, you hear that sound? It means it's crispy. It's crispy and it's perfect inside this lumpia. Okay, so we will take it. Still hot, but we need to be careful. If this kind of lumpia or egg rolls or broiler, you will cook this in a deep frying oil. So much oil will be soaked in this because we add so much vegetables and we put eggs also. So I'm sure if when we bite it, oh, very fatty, very oily. But this time it's really pure, the food. That's really good. And the children like it also. David, it's not so fatty. That's all, guys. I hope you enjoy our review using the Philips Air Fryer Premium XXL. It was very good result, crispy and yummy, juicy, delicious. Bye bye.